A for apple, red and sweet, tasty fruit that's fun to eat. B for ball, it bounces high, catch it quick, don't let it fly. C for cat, soft and small, listen to her gentle call. D for dog, friendly and fun, running fast in the warm bright sun. E for elephant, big and strong, walking slowly all day long. F for fish, swimming deep, in the water they dive and leap. G for goat, white and brown, climbing hills up and down. H for hen, laying eggs, walking slowly on her legs. I for ice cream, cold and sweet, a special summer yummy treat. J for jug, full of juice, drink it fresh, it's good for use. K for kite, flying high, dancing freely in the sky. L for lion, brave and strong, king of jungle all day long. M for mango, juicy and sweet, golden fruit, a summer treat. N for nest, safe and small, home for baby bird so tall. O for owl, awake at night, big round eyes shining bright. P for parrot, green and loud, talking happy, singing proud. Q for queen, crown so bright, smiling kindly day and night. R for rabbit, hopping fast, eating carrots till the last. S for sun, warm and round, shining bright on all the ground. T for tiger, strong and fast, running quickly, never last. U for umbrella, big and wide, keeps us dry when we hide. V for van, moving slow, carrying things as we go. W for watch, tick-tick sound, tells us time all around. X for xylophone, colors bright, play the tune with joy and light. Y for yak, furry and tall, lives on mountains, strong for all. Z for zebra, black and white, running fast with stripes so bright.